Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nika app naka Play Store.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ka college babatam na banta ka jingpuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, kniyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo ha India but shabari. Na banta ka jingpuli, ka jingsiyo ka baret but pila ban let puli, da ka education loan, pila ban chukol ha number, kandai nyo, saw, san rio pranon, lani kandai pran rio laisan, an riway kandai pran.
Hatu pikwa baki janjong pikin kuit bha benar kam daka Oswell su hila ban yo na barok kidukan
Daki Hajar Ngut ki jet ben riu Kuki zo Wi-Fi ki basa hakini ka nong ba Shillong bat kuntup ya ki balon pet jeng ni ka jela Meghalaya hakar pulai terik naitung arja pulai kilai lum lang ha Don Bosco Square lai mkra Shillong ban penrem jor ya ka sarkar Manipur bat ya ka sarkar Pedeng ki bom shim lala ban pete lakam ya ka jinga snam ha ka jela Manipur kapala sedang na do kalai terik jembang bat ka brang yai Pedeng hadu mentah hakini ka jinga lang bala pelong deki kunhon ba pero pok kshatri jo ka Manipur support group kila Dawa ka sarkar Pedeng bat ka sarkar Manipur ba kin penkut no ya ka jinga snam ha ka jela Manipur bat ban wan ra biang ya ka Jingsuk Shongsan ka kunhun lum khubor jo ka Batesi TV kala sakhi ru ya ka jinga shimenta jo ki pat Kuki ki pat khasi bat kiwe de ki jet penrio dakawara ya ki mombati halaki kiti gom kadak ban penpau ya ka Jingsuk si alor ka jingsha penyam ki jingsha thombor bat ki jingsha penya lingkhot jong ki arngut ki kin thai Kuki ha ka jila Manipur ka bala penkhi wen ya kari India brokwe ha kini ka sngi la ye iru ba ki jet penrio Kuki zo bat Wi-Fi ki balai shimenta kini ka jingalang kila riam de ki janjong kum kadak ban penpau ki Jingsuk si thang halor ka jinga snam ha Pedeng ki Kuki bat ki maitai ha Manipur.
We shall overcome. We shall overcome someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe we shall overcome someday.
For every bit of violence that has been unleashed, for every home that has been burnt down, for everybody who has been displaced and who has to look for a new home today from Manipur, for the rapes, the ones we know of and the ones that have not been reported as yet. They have to be held accountable for what happened to our two sisters. It is the government we will ask to respond. It is the government that has to give us answers. We will not fight each other. We refuse to make enemies. But what we have is this, the power of coming together like this, of shouting for peace, for love, for justice, and of saying that we will not allow the government to continue in your name or my name the crimes that they are perpetuating today in Manipur. Friends, we had a smaller meeting before this because we in Shillong care for you. We know that many people have had difficulties when they try to find refuge in our city. And it is our shame. It is a shame for us from Shillong if we have been unable to respond to your hurt, to be able to meet the needs that you require as people fleeing a conflict. But beyond that, we are all here today, and our voice needs to be heard. It needs to be heard by Biren Singh. It needs to be heard by those extremist groups that have been raised on the soil of Manipur. They do not represent you, my friends. Those groups in their black t-shirts and black pants are not you. They are not us. They are elements that have been groomed for hatred, and we will isolate them. And we will continue to condemn those in power who are raising such groups.
The beloved city of Shillong to facilitate the movement of the displaced people from Manipur. We know many of them who have fled the war and violence, and some of them have faced too much difficulties in this city of ours, Shillong. I humbly appeal to the Shillong, to the local administration to kindly facilitate so that people who fled war and violence, they can find solace and they can find a place where they can rebuild their life.
And we cannot bury them. They are still lying in the morgue and they are not kept properly. It is worse than the animal. Even the animal, we don't treat them like that. And how come we talk about peace now? We want to be separated. We want separate administration. We want Kuki's own people. We want only separate administration. Please, government of India and the people in the parliament, listen to us and please grant us this. This will be the only solution.
I'd like to invite you
How
again
do you see the
to the
government
litany that we read
dealing
in
with
the
this
beginning.
They are not dealing with anything.
Let's
They are
start with,
only siding with his
have
community,
mercy.
the Meitei people.
Feed
Even while we are
mercy.
raped and tortured, they say they are still on their
For the
side.
victims of war
I think all the
in
media
Manipur,
must be knowing.
have mercy.
I am not lying. My people are not
Women, men,
lying.
and children.
Still now they are hiding something
The
behind.
maimed and the crippled.
And if the video is not viral, nothing will be done till now. Only they are waiting for the viral video. If the video is not viral, Manipur will be burning and nobody will understand our problem. And people thought we are lying, but we tribals, we are not lying.
Ya wan lang mentasi bantan pau wan condemn ya ka sarkar Manipur angkat bak ka sarkar union government jong Modi namar kani ka civil war pa alang no ang katla ha Manipur kam nang dalong haru kani ka net zada ki tu ki breu ki badan harabor kim don kti hakale ngitip pakatu kani benai de makti ki balastang ban pikai ki balastang ban ai ya ki arms and weapons ya ki katu kani ki group ngitip pakikan shit maki ban penmi kani ka GSM art happening ar what hijat ben real Andre mental kalau dia fort bangim day banyak kedokti way delay ini pada dua syarat kata kajing slow dia pair that and real world kam tam hanta hamani puni ini tiar ti Meitei baki Kuki kam dong jingwat banyak kedokti way ti bara mangi manga mapi bagi real jong Manipur ni day ban so kedokti ka sarkar maka dekat kamran sarkar pek bangi MCN pan pet pamdan kajing sha paniap kajing sha luti kajing sha than ki yeng ki sami kajing sha le bi ijot ki campaign andre habaka sarkar khabrin but on tang bakasha andre kayarap ru na se pan company shu gum gini kandum kanram muta kadon AA shanandet but manga mapi ru ki brio hasalong ngidi ban sutku pangingi don hakanika northeast hapadan kajing katwelo wa ha Manipur kam tingai nangi if the pangi ban so thodo ki don kini ki port ki the far but pen koi mar kum ne kan dan boy ka port kin won pen kun man what has nom tanga of ki